Hello everyone, all of you iPad Pilot users. I've got a second screencast for you on how to get files onto your iPad. It's a simple 5-step process. Step 1 is to create a Dropbox account at www.dropbox.com. You can use your district email for that. Step 2 is to download the free Dropbox app into the iTunes library on the classroom computer that you use for syncing to the iPads. Step 3 is to sync your classroom set of iPads. Step 4 is to sign into Dropbox on each iPad using the account that you created in Step 1. Step 5 is to get a file onto the iPads by dragging it to the Dropbox folder on your computer. Let me be a little more specific and show you what I mean. So here's what the website will look like when you go to Dropbox.com from the web. Then you will search for Dropbox in iTunes on the computer that you sync with. So notice that I just simply typed in Dropbox up here in the search box, and then you'll see it down here in the iPad apps. Then you're going to want to sync your iPads, so connect them all, plug in the cable, connect them all to the hub, connect that hub to your syncing computer, and then click Sync or select Sync and apply, and that should get Dropbox onto each of the iPads. Next step is to sign in to Dropbox. So you'll want to press the Dropbox icon from your iPad. That'll take you to a screen like this on each of the iPads, where you can put in that email address that you used and the password you created when you first set up Dropbox. Then you'll select Login. From there, you can drag files from any folder on your computer to the Dropbox folder. So this is where the Dropbox folder is, over here in the favorites. When you go to your little library folders icon on the lower part of the Windows computer, Windows operating system. So I'm going to go ahead and move this business card logo file over to my Dropbox folder, and then you'll notice that it now shows up when I select the Dropbox app on the iPad. You'll notice that the business card logo file shows up in the Dropbox list. So it's a pretty simple process. 5 steps. Create a Dropbox account, download it to the iTunes library, and sync it with your iPad. Then you sign in to Dropbox on each of the iPads, and then you just drag a file into the folder. You can install the Dropbox folder onto any computer. So if you prefer to use your teacher computer as the one that you drag files from, that would be fine. So that's how we get files in what I think is the easiest way onto each of the iPads that you are using with your students. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on Edmodo.